You think an iPhone is just for casual videos? Then think again. With the right rig, it transforms into a full-blown filmmaking powerhouse, ready for pro-level shots, vlogging, and even high-quality content on the go. Your iPhone is powerful, but with the right setup, it becomes unstoppable. Today, I'm going to show you how to build the ultimate camera rig from power solutions to must-have mounts so you can shoot like a pro. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or filmmaker, this setup will be guaranteed to level up your production. So before we dive in, I have to do a quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored, and every product you see was purchased independently, and my opinion is 100% my own. I've also linked all the products mentioned in this video in the description below, so you guys can check them out at any time. So before we start adding accessories, we need a rock solid foundation. And that's why we're starting with the small rig phone cage. It's built from lightweight aluminum, so it's sturdy, but not bulky, perfect for mobile filmmaking. But what makes this cage really stand out is that you can mount everything you ever need to it with 4 cold shoe mounts and multiple 1/4-inch threaded holes. And it's also MagSafe compatible, so no clamps, no adjustments, just snap your iPhone in and out. The adjustable alignment lets you shift your phone from left to right, allowing for any aftermarket lenses and/or filters. This cage is the backbone of the rig, giving us stability and flexibility at a pro level. Cages are great, but if your grip is shaky, your footage will be too. And that's where handles come in, giving you stability and control, along with more mounting options for additional accessories. These side handles from Small Rig have a quick release adapter, so you can instantly switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. No tools, no downtime, just snap and shoot. So whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or filming vertical content for YouTube, these handles can give you the confidence and control to shoot like a pro. Next is this little piece of metal from Small Rig. It's called a cheese plate, and it's made from high-grade aluminum with tons of 1/4-inch threads. I'm mounting this plate directly underneath our cage, and I've got it positioned lengthwise so it runs along the back of the rig to be used as a mounting surface for our power bank and USB hub. So next we want to attach a bracket to mount our solid state drive. And to do this, I'm using a bracket from Small Rig, specifically for Samsung's T7 solid state drives. We attach this bracket by sliding it into the cold shoe mount on our cage. Note that the orientation matters here. I'm making sure that the clamp faces towards the back of the rig and not the front. Once you have the bracket in position, tighten it using an Allen key and you're good to go. So next we're going to add another bracket from Small Rig to secure our power bank on the end of the cheese plate. This bracket is built from a lightweight aluminum alloy, and it features a spring-loaded clamp with soft rubber pads, which gives it a tight and secure grip on our power bank. We will attach the bracket to the end of our cheese plate, keeping our power accessible and locked in place. Next, we're going to add a tiny cold shoe mount from Small Rig to the top of our cage, and this will provide a secure point to attach our field monitor right above the camera. When you need a tripod setup with rock solid stability for interviews and time lapses, I'm using the Atma Shoe 1/4-inch female thread to hot shoe adapter. It's made from CNC machine aluminum, so it's lightweight and also durable. It will let you switch between handheld and tripod setups in just seconds. High bitrate recording, external storage, and live monitoring all depend on having fast, reliable connections. That's why I'm using this Ugreen hub. It's got 4K 60Hz HDMI output, which gives me real-time previews with 0 lag. It also has a 10 gigabit per second USB-C port that handles high-resolution video without bottlenecks, along with 2 10 gigabit per second USB-A ports, perfect for powering the Rode mic and other accessories. And lastly, a 100-watt USB-C power delivery port that keeps everything charged. In order to set up the hub correctly, we need to mount it underneath the cheese plate. One important detail is that you will need to position the hub's USB-C and USB-A ports to be on the same side as your solid-state drive, giving us a clean and direct connection to our hub. Great visuals don't mean much if the audio falls flat. Viewers will likely click away fast if they can't hear you clearly. So for clean directional audio, I'm using the Rode Video Mic Go 2, mounted right onto the Small Rig side handle. It's a lightweight shotgun mic that delivers crisp audio without needing batteries. To set it up, you first need to slide the Rode mic into place and then tighten the locking ring to hold it securely. And that's it. Simple, fast, and clean audio for your rig. To get clean power to our rig that will keep it running all day long, I'm using the Amazon Basic 20,000 milliamp power bank. And here's why it's perfect for this rig. It has fast charging, so there's no waiting around when you need power. And it also has an LED battery indicator, so you just press a button and know exactly how much juice is left. And of course, a massive battery capacity to run the whole rig for hours. With this setup, I don't have to stress about battery life, and my rig stays powered up and I stay focused on filming. To get more accessories on the rig, I'm using this tiny magic arm from Ulanzi. It has a double ball head that can easily be adjusted to any angle on the fly, and I've mounted it to the 1/4-inch threaded hole on one of the side handles of the rig. With this setup, I can easily add a fill light, and it still keeps the rig nimble and mobile. A field monitor is a total game changer. It gives you a larger, clearer view so you can frame all of your shots perfectly. I'm using the Freeworld S55 mounted directly onto our cold shoe mount on top of the cage. The S55 runs on removable batteries, which gives you 2,600 milliamp hours of capacity. So you get longer run times and fewer battery swaps. And since the monitor runs on its own power, it won't drain the main rig. So how does everything connect together? First, we start with the main connection coming from the output of our hub, which goes directly into your iPhone. Next, we connect the power bank to the hub's USB power delivery port. Then we need to plug our solid-state drive into the hub's USB-C port. And for our Rode mic, it gets connected into the hub's USB-A port. And finally, we've got the field monitor, which connects to the hub's HDMI port. With this setup, everything is powered, connected, and working in sync, delivering pro-level performance. So now you know how to build the best iPhone 16 Pro Max camera rig. A stable pro-level setup, perfect for mobile filmmaking, vlogging, and even client work on the go. If this breakdown helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.